my name is Luisa Morales.
Hello, my name is Natalia Cortes.
And today we're gonna present you some reasons why you should go to Paris.
The best time to visit Paris is between June and September because the temperatures are very comfortable, although any time is beautiful.
There is never a bad time to visit Paris, but in November, December, January, and February are the worst because the temperature drops a lot.
In spring, the streets are covered with beautiful trees and you can breathe the smell of holidays. In summer, life is outdoors, perfect for having a coffee or having a picnic. In autumn, love is bright and the city is dyed red and gold.
In winter, Christmas brings the streets and shops of the city, with the snow giving a beautiful views. What clothes to pick? Okay. In cold weather, you can use a coat, boots, a scarf, and gloves. And in hot water, you can wear skis, dresses, and shoes.
Thank you.